My name's Eddie Townsend from a company called Pat Test UK. We're predominantly a Pat testing company. Been with Service Geeni just coming up to 2 years. The reason why we chose Service Geeni to be our service management software provider was we wanted to develop the company and develop how we operated within the company. The main difference with Service Geeni for a Pat testing company and for an electrical company was the flexibility and the way that our equipment could link from the engineer through the Service Geeni app and receiving that information back in the office seamlessly and very, very quickly. We're quite unique in a way, is that we have lots of cost codes. We're trying to bring them all together. We have different areas, because we're a national company, so we have different pricing structures and different prices for different areas, because of course we've got to travel there, etc. So the way that Service Geeni enabled us to work with this and provide cost codes is very, very good. As a company, the money that we're saving by having the service management software from Service Geeni is immense. We're probably talking over a year in the region of £25,000 saving by using Service Geeni alone, just on typing reports. Engineers are fully compliant with it. They like the system. They are, I wouldn't say tracked by the system, but it can tell you where they are and what they're doing and what they've done. There's a lot of benefits by having it. Even the way it links with Google Maps. Before, we used to have TomTom satellite navigation systems in the cars, in the vans. Now, they pick up the job, they see where the job is, they press maps, it links directly into Google Maps. Fantastic. They really are a nice group of people to work with. Of course, we're all there to make money, either side, but the value we get from using Service Geeni compensates for whatever pennies we've had to pay. It's not a quick sale. Service Geeni haven't just gone and said, oh yes, we can do this, we can do that, sign you up and then drop you. They've been as professional as any company I've ever worked with. And this is not singing songs for Service Geeni, this is just being totally honest. I'd recommend Service Geeni 100% to any company, be it a one-man band to a company that's got 1,000 staff and 1,000 engineers. Anybody could use Service Geeni. The way that Service Geeni assists me as the operations manager and the way that it works within the office with both the planning side, with raising invoices, is streamless. There's so many benefits by having Service Geeni that actually, if we wrote it down on paper, there's been a considerable amount of savings over the definitely over the 18 months since we've had it fully implemented. Not just the money it saves, but the way that everything is professionally put together is second to none. I fully recommend it to anybody.